Hi everyone, welcome back to my AP Calculus class. Today I explain differential equation by separation. So you have to understand what is differential equation. Differential equation is a dy over dx is usually given, and then solving differential equation is finding original function y equals form usually. So I show you how to use separation to solve a differential equation with one example, and then let's go back to the textbook. Okay, what about this? dy over dx is xy. And then they ask you, solve this differential equation. So by separation means x function and dx gather together, and then gather together y function and dy the same side. So I will multiply by dx both sides. So this dx cancel out, right? And then I'm going to divide by y divided by both sides, and this y cancel out. So automatically it just separate all y function and dy function and all x function and dx function together like this. And the next step is just the integral both sides. What is the integral of 1 over y dy? It's ln absolute value of y, right? Suppose y is greater than 0. Then this part is going to be ln y. That is equal to, what is integral x dx? X means x to the first power, so 1 over n plus 1 times x to the n plus 1 power. That's the formula, right? So 1/2 x squared. Okay? And then plus c. And then now we have to solve y equals form. ln y is 1/2 x squared plus c. That's why y equals what? Y equals e to the 1/2 x squared plus c powers. That is equal to e to the 1/2 x squared times e to the c powers. Look at the e to the c powers. There's another constant, right? So you can use another constant c times e to the 1/2 x squared. Y equals this, right? So this is the answer, solution of this differential equation. Okay, I'll give you 3 more examples in your textbook now. Let's go. Example 8. Solve differential equation dy over dx is equal to negative x over y. dy over dx is equal to negative x over y. So I'm going to multiply dx both sides and y both sides. We're cross multiplying, that works too, right? Now, to separate all x functions and dx from y function and dy. So x dx or negative x dx, that makes sense, right? Is equal to y dy. And then put integral both sides. So what is it? What is integral negative x? Which is negative 1/2 x squared. That plus c is equal to integral y, 1/2 y squared. And then multiplied by negative 2, negative to both sides. So it is negative x squared plus 2c is y squared. So we can change that. X squared plus y squared is equal to another constant. You can use another c. Anyway, that's constant. 2c is just a constant anyway. That's why you can use another c. This is the equation. But initial condition y0 is that's given, right? When y is 0, x is 0, y value must be 2. Okay? So plug in 0 for x and then 2 for y. That means c is 4. So our final answer is what? X squared plus y squared is equal to 4. This is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, keep solving next example problem. Example 9. ds over, I'm sorry, it happened again. Yep, we're almost there. Number 9. ds over dt equals square root of st. Over here. I'll rewrite here. It's very tiny. So ds over dt is equal to square root st, which means square root of s times square root of t. It is easier. So we can separate. So 1 over square root s ds is equal to root t dt. And then put integral both sides. This is integral st negative 1 half power ds is equal to integral t to the 1 half power dt. Okay, by power, okay, power means what? 1 over n plus 1 x to the n plus 1 power, n is negative 1 half in this case. So 1 over 1 negative 1 half plus 1, that's 2. So 2 s to the 1 negative 1 half plus 1 is positive 1 half powers. Yeah, that is equal to, it is a 2/3 t to the 3 over 2 powers plus c. And he says, when s equals 1, t is 0. So plug in 0 and 1 for t and s. That means c equals 2. You can find the c equals 2. That makes sense, right? So your answer is what? C is 2. So this equation is going to be 2 square root s equals 2 over 3 times t to the 3 over 2 powers plus 2. This is a kind of solution. I didn't solve for s yet, but you don't have to do because it asks you find the s value when t equals 9. So plug in 9 for t and then find the s value. That's it. So 2 square root s equals 2/3 times t is 9. 9 is 3 squared. 3 squared, 3 over 2 powers plus 2. And then this power cancel out. So 2 root s is equal to, it is 1820. So root s equals 10. That means s equals what? S equals 100. That's the final answer. I found the s when at t equals 9. Okay, the last problem, one more problem today, is example 11. Over here. Find the general solution. It is not about specific value. It is just find the general solution of this equation. I rewrite here. du over dv equals e to the v minus u powers. I will change this. du over dv is equal to e to the v over e to the u. And then cross multiply because together the u and u function together, the v and v function together. So you can cross multiply, right? So ev dv is equal to e to the u du. And then put integral both sides. Integral e to the v is e to the v. So e to the v is equal to e to the u plus c. Or you can change it. E to the u equals e to the v equals plus c, same thing, right? So if you want to solve for u equals form, that's u equals ln e to the v plus c. Or v equals ln e to the u plus c. But in this case, u is kind of y, right? dy over dx usually given. In this case, du over dv is given. So solving for u is better than solving for v. Anyway, this is the final answer. So I explained how to solve differential equation by separation, and then I gave you 3 examples in the textbook. Okay, I hope that it helped you understand more about how to solve differential equation by separation. Thank you so much for watching my video. Click subscribe and like and turn on the notification. Thank you again. Bye-bye.